So there is pros and cons towards everything, including audio issues being a content creator. The advantage is I'm no longer strapped to a lav mic anymore because I'm using my old shotgun mic. The disadvantage is the fact that it's a shotgun mic, so you could hear some background noises, but found out what the audio issue so I can continue from here and make more content. So I made a tutorial video for Uber Eats, and in the comments I was requested to make a video on how to complete an Uber Eats order from start to finish. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and it's going to be included into a vlog to make it way more engaging for you guys. So hopefully we get a nice little decent small Uber Eats order with low kilometers so I can show you how we get things done. So it took forever, but I finally got an order for Grand Burger, and we're going to make this quick so I can go drop this off for the customer. But for your order, as soon as it comes in, it's going to tell you the cost of your order, it is going to tell you the kilometers, and you can choose to accept it or not. As soon as you click accept, on the bottom right hand corner, you click on the navigate button, and it will bring you to your restaurant. Now, going into the restaurant and coming out, it's still the exact same screen. So right now, for example, if I don't want another order to come in, I'm going to click on the three dots on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and it's going to show you where your pickup is in green, your drop off, and you can click first stop new request. So I'm going to click there. Then I'm going to go back on the screen to show you guys a few things. So if I scroll up, gives you the restaurant with a phone to call. Your address, it says enter the restaurant, the customer at the counter, fine. Tells me my customer's name is Anthony, his item, and you can click on details. So he wanted the poutine chili cheese. Good choice, Anthony. And if it was not ready, I can click on not ready and put a justification on the reason why. So I put that it's not ready. It is ready because I actually have it, but it's good for demonstration purposes. Now, if I have an issue that I needed to report to Uber, let's say I needed to reassign this order, get it off my case, you go to report issue. You can call support. You can list the fact that there is excessive time, it's too far, order was canceled, and that's how you can report your order. Now, if I wanted to contact Anthony to let him know if something's going on, I go ahead and click that texting feature and I can text him. If I needed to call him, I can call him on the upper right hand corner. It will block out your number though for your privacy and security, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, because my order is picked up, I'm going to give a thumbs up right now, indicating that it's good to go. Now, before I click start delivery, you have to slide it. But before I slide it, I'm going to take a minute here because I'm going to block out the customer's address so you guys don't hear it. Cool. Now, I'm going to take this to my customer's location. Now, he's 2 kilometers away, so he's very close. Before I do that, I'm going to scroll up. And I'm going to blur out his information from you guys, but it says that it's Anthony. It says that I can text him or I can phone him. For him, the note is to leave at the door. So this is where you're going to know the special instructions from your customer. His address, the item. So because it's a leave at the door, it's a take a picture. So as soon as I get to this customer's location, I'm going to take the picture to indicate that I have dropped off his item. And then I will show you what we're going to do from there. Basically, as soon as you're going to click take a picture, you're going to leave a note. And I always leave a merci beaucoup, which means thanks a lot, to thank my customer for the service. And then I can confirm that I did the delivery. Now with Uber Eats, at the very end of everything, you get your tip within the next hour afterwards. So let's go get this dropped off at my customers so I can wrap things up with you guys. So I'm not sure how much of that got documented when I was going to the customer's house, because I think the zipper of my camera was in the way of the GoPro. But I took the picture of my client's food inside the food delivery bag. It's super important, especially in cold temperatures like this. And then I put the merci beaucoup, which means thanks a lot. I'm thanking them for their service. And I clicked on delivered. Within about 2 minutes, Uber Eats will update your total at the top. So mine's showing 608 because I did do a prior delivery. It was supposed to be for a video at A&W, but the video got scrapped because it didn't go the way that I wanted to. But if I wanted to go into the earnings to see exactly what happened, you can go on the top left hand corner of your screen and click on earnings. From there, click on see details and you can go to see earnings activities. Now, if you don't get a notification within 2 hours, it means you're not getting a tip. But if you do get a tip, let's say for example in this one, you can see where the boost is on top of the map that says Montreal on the left hand side. Right beside there, you're going to see that there's a tip. It'll show it there. You can click on the map itself. It will expand the page to see the view full details. Now, there is another way to see if you're going to get a tip, but it's not always. It's if Uber Eats prompts it, which is when you go to your inbox. Now, if this screen would stop taking forever, there we go. So it gives me the trip duration. So it was just 11 minutes, 0.9 kilometers, because it was like super quick. How many points I made, the base pay, which is terrible offer from Uber Eats, by the way. My promotion, 46 cents. Again, terrible offer from Uber Eats. And then at the end, the tip will be added to the mix once I check everything at the end. If I go back and if I do get a tip, sometimes if I click on inbox, right there where it says 1 week ago, where you see the heart, it's written in French, it told me that I got a tip of $2.78. I'm mostly on DoorDash, guys, but you can check it there. So I will calibrate it at the end how much tip I got for this given order, and I hope that helps you when it comes to navigating Uber Eats from end to end, from picking up the meal to dropping it off, and how to do so through the app.